Hey Internet, here is the answer to decomposeString for your midterm for object-oriented programming. Note that the midterm questions are randomly selected from your tutorials. It also depends on the lecturer/professor and depends on your university. Some professors and lecturers decide to customize the midterm exam or test. Others just randomly pick tutorial questions. Right, like and subscribe. The code is in the pinned comment and the GitHub repo as well. If you're stuck, go and copy and paste the code into your favorite LLM or AI chatbot and ask it, how did the code solve this question? If you want to support me, become a member or drop a super thanks. Until next time, see ya.